What's up guys? All good? My name is Jack. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the GutOptim before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the GutOptim works. What is GutOptim? GutOptim is a food supplement developed to promote digestive health and optimize the functioning of the intestine. Its formula contains a combination of prebiotics, probiotics and natural ingredients such as black nuts, glucosamine and konjac, apple pectin, plum and bentonite clay. These ingredients work together to improve digestion, reduce bloating and gases, strengthen the immune system, improve sleep quality and aid in weight management. GutOptim acts directly on the root cause of many digestive problems, the imbalance of the intestinal microbiome. It helps promote the balance of beneficial bacteria in the intestine, cleanses the intestines, and repairs the intestinal lining, providing comprehensive support for the digestive system. For best results, the manufacturer recommends taking 2 GutOptim capsules daily with water for at least 3 months. This ensures that the body can take full advantage of the benefits of the supplement, providing a continuous improvement in intestinal and overall health. How does GutOptim work? GutOptim is a dietary supplement that promotes digestive health by combining prebiotics, probiotics and bentonite clay. These ingredients help fight harmful microbes, clean the intestine and restore balance to the intestinal microbiome, essential for healthy digestion. Ingredients like black nuts, konjac, glucosamine, apple pectin and dried plum work together to repair the intestinal lining and support more efficient digestion by reducing swelling, gas and other discomfort. The probiotics of GutOptim help in the growth of beneficial bacteria in the intestine, promoting a balanced intestinal flora. Science has shown that the gut microbiome influences not only digestion, but also the immune system, metabolism and even mental health. The imbalance of these bacteria can lead to problems such as insomnia, stress and digestive difficulties. In addition, the fiber-rich ingredients of GutOptim contribute to a feeling of satiety, which can help with weight management. The supplement also contains antioxidants that aid in immune function and reduce oxidative stress. For best results, the manufacturer recommends taking 2 capsules a day, preferably in the morning, ensuring continuous digestive support throughout the day. GutOptim was developed based on studies that show that maintaining a healthy gut can improve overall health, preventing digestive problems and aiding metabolism. Thus, the supplement acts comprehensively, promoting a cleansing of the intestine, repairing the lining and balancing beneficial bacteria in the digestive tract.